dealers, a lot of times, they'll come to us and be like, well, we own our data. And it's like, well, where's your data? Our CRM, our DMS. I was like, you own it. Yes, we own our data. So I want you to call up your DMS provider and ask them to send you the data schema for how the data is structured inside all the tables in the, let's say, DMS. They're like, why? I was like, just go ask. 0% that a provider is going to give you that. And so what I've had to explain to the dealer is that the DMS owns the field and the field name. So customer underscore ID first name or whatever, and then that field. The dealer owns what's in the field, the name, let's say Todd. But if I remove the context of the data schema, the block, and the naming convention, all I get delivered to me is a big pile of junk. It would be like a puzzle. You just sent me a puzzle, but there's no picture on it anymore. So you don't own your data unless you own the schema that lives above. And you have to have that in place. So this is the quickest way to understand data ownership, meaning I can export something out of one of these primary systems with the schema intact. And we know that doesn't happen. Hence, in point, you change DMS or CRM, they just give you a data dump where it's literally like they took all your organized data and they just mashed it together in a like data pool of swamp, and then they hand it off to you. You have to try to remap it, and remapping never works. And AI will not do that. So I think it's such a critical thing in today's world. The dealers have to make the investment into what I call like data sovereignty. You have to be the owner of your own future.